Hi everyone, today we are going to be talking about the IFD filter, which is a new kind of filter for air purifiers that is currently available for Honeywell and recently, as we found out, Braun as well. So let's get going and find out about this first of its kind permanent and washable air purifier filter. So what exactly is an IFD filter? So if you're familiar with air purifiers, you will know that air purifiers use two main kind of filters: HEPA filters for removing particulate pollutants and activated carbon filters for removing gaseous pollutants. So the IFD filter is equivalent to HEPA filter in other air purifiers, which means that its job is to remove particulate pollutants like dust, dust mites, pollen, ragweed, aerosols, and others. What does IFT exactly mean? IFT stands for Intense Field Dielectric, which means that it uses electrostatic precipitation to remove pollutants. This is sort of similar to an air ionizer, which you might be familiar with if you've seen air purifiers which come with an air ionizer. A good example for this would be Covey's Mighty Air Purifier or Winix's 5500-2. So what is different about an IFD filter? So IFD stands for Intense Field Dielectric. It uses electricity to remove pollutants which are present in the air. So these pollutants are attracted to the filter using a process known as electrostatic attraction. And some of the advantages of an IFD filter are that an IFD filter can be reused. All you need to do is wash it every 2 to 3 months and it is back to being good as new. HEPA filters, on the other hand, need to be discarded. This causes additional cost in terms of replacement filter and also adds to landfill waste. Finally, since IFT filters use electricity, they also need lesser power from the fan to pull in the air. So overall, they use a lower amount of electricity compared to HEPA air purifiers. Now, this doesn't mean that IFT filters only have advantages and no disadvantages. One of the disadvantages of IFT filters is that they produce a small amount of ozone during their normal course of operation. Now, while the amount of ozone produced is well within safety limits, what does happen if you use these air purifiers in closed rooms for extended periods of time is that the level of ozone can go beyond safe limits. So if you're using these air purifiers, it's always a good idea to ventilate the room fairly regularly so that any accumulated ozone has a chance to escape. So who are the manufacturers who are currently making air purifiers with IFT filters? Honeywell is the most prominent one. They have about 4 or 5 models which currently have IFT filters, and Braun is the newest manufacturer which has started using IFT filters for their air purifier. We'll have links for all of these models in the description of the video. So that was it from us on IFT filters. Thank you for watching.